day 19 of the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial, and Amber Heard's team presented a dozen witnesses, only one of whom was a live witness, a social media trends expert whose entire premise was completely faulty and just showed that public support was behind Johnny Depp, and he introduced the jury to the hashtags #AmberTurd and #JusticeForJohnnyDepp, which led to Johnny Depp's attorney, Wayne Dennison, getting to finish his cross-examination with a...
But you'll agree with me, justice in general is a good thing?
Big fan of justice.
Me too.
The rest of the day was filled with video depositions, which probably put the jury to sleep. The most interesting one, though, was that of Adam Waldman, Johnny Depp's former attorney, whose comments to the media led to Amber Heard's countersuit against Johnny Depp. 80% of Adam Waldman's deposition included the word privileged and turned over basically zero information. Other than that, he's banned from Twitter. The other 20%, he spoke about a perjury investigation into Amber Heard and mentioned 9 corroborating witnesses that support Johnny Depp's case revolving around the May 21st incident, the incident that led to the TRO. That's right, the jury got to hear Amber Heard and the phrase perjury repeated over and over again after she got caught lying on the stand and submitted a photo into evidence that was just a doctored version of another photo. Speaking of doctors, Johnny Depp allowed Amber Heard's attorneys to depose his psychiatrist, who then made me and the whole jury super sad and even more sympathetic towards Johnny Depp as he discussed Johnny Depp's battle with substance abuse and depression. The rest of the day included Johnny Depp's former lover from the 90s, a former friend of 30 years, Amber Heard's agent who thinks Aquaman was the best movie in the history of ever, Depp's former agent who believes Depp's career is because of her and is mad that Depp fired her because of her connection to his former business manager who allegedly stole money from him and forgot to pay taxes. And yes, he too was also deposed. Lastly, we had the attorney Amber Heard consulted about the op-ed, and now he's testifying on behalf of his malpractice insurance and his super lawyer's ad, and there was an LAPD detective who had nothing to do with the case. Johnny Depp's attorneys were so worried about some of these witnesses, they didn't even cross-examine a good portion of them.